Hi folks, I'm Ellie of Elka Textiles, and in light of the return of our in-person frame weaving workshops, which we're really excited about, I wanted to give you a bit more of an insight into what's actually covered in them. One of the most commonly asked questions is, what's the difference between a 3 and a 6-hour workshop? Simply put, the 3-hour workshop is half the duration and half the price of the 6-hour workshop. Both workshops will teach you everything that you need to know to get set up and weaving from home. However, the 3-hour workshop is a slightly faster pace, just so that we can pack in as much information as we possibly can into those 3 hours. The price of the workshop includes all the guided tuition, use of the looms, all materials, and a clear handout of notes, including a comprehensive resources section. You will also be given a code for a substantial discount on our online weaving courses. This is one of the small frame looms that we teach on. The workshop will start off by teaching you the basic principles of weaving and some basic terminology. You will learn how to dress your loom, which is putting the warp, all the tension threads, onto the loom, ready for weaving. Sustainability is at the core of what we do, so alongside our second-hand and recycled yarn collections, you'll be introduced to a wide range of yarns and fibres, from naturally dyed linens and banana yarn to hemp, bamboo and rose fibre, just to name a few. What you make will be completely up to you, and you don't have to create a thing, but there will be a basket of samples and examples for you to have a look through, including coasters, bookmarks and small wall hangings. I'll be there to guide you through whatever you decide on. You will be guided through various weaving techniques for creating texture and pattern. You will have the opportunity to buy your loom and other materials at the end of the workshop. I'm very sensitive to the fact that people learn at very different paces and in different ways, and due to this, the spaces on our workshops are always limited, so you receive as much guidance as you will possibly need throughout the course of the workshop. This workshop is suitable for complete beginners, but also for people who might have a little bit of weaving experience that would like a bit of a refresher. If you're too far afield to get to one of our in-person workshops and you're still keen to learn from us, then please do check out our range of online courses, the links to which you'll find in the description of this video. We're so excited about these workshops starting again. They've been a very long time coming, and we really can't wait to meet you.